Welcome back and thank you for watching. My name's Dan. I'm going to today show you how to change a foam tire on a split rim on a mobility scooter. You'll have a split rim if you have bolts that hold the two sides of the rim together. That's called a split rim, and you can easily change a tire on these rims. If you do have a solid rim, it doesn't have any bolts on either side to undo, so you do have to replace the whole wheel assembly if you do have that type of rim. So you just need a few simple tools. There's an M35 tire tool that'll squeeze your rims together if you have a problem doing that. Crescent wrench, and of course a socket wrench to take your bolts apart. First thing you want to do is just go ahead and take apart your rim. You always want to go in opposite directions when you're loosening these, just like on a car tire. And the first time you do this, it's probably going to be pretty tight. You may need an impact wrench to get the bolts off the first time, but usually they come off with not too much effort. Okay, once you have your 4 bolts off, you can just go ahead and separate the rim. You'll see the hub drop off. Just keep the bolts facing up. You'll see the rim on both sides. And just take it apart. And assembly is the opposite of disassembly. So go ahead and start with your hub. Your first rim half goes on there upside down. Go ahead and put your tire on there, press down as hard as you can. Put your other rim piece on there. Now as you can see, these bolts are coming through the rim half, so we really don't need the M35 rim tool to get it back together again, but I'll go ahead and show you how that works. Just go and place your rim on top of the tool. This bar that goes on the top of the rim, just make sure it's going between 2 of the bolt holes and not across the 2 bolts. Now you can see the threads are quite a bit longer on the rim, so you did squeeze it together pretty good, so it shouldn't be any problem getting the bolts back on these. And again, you don't want to use an impact wrench putting these together, you can damage the threads. Okay, now you can go ahead and remove the tool once you have a couple of your bolts on. And we are almost done. You can see how easy this is if you have the right tools. Okay, now you have your rim back together with your new tire. You're ready to go out and get mobile. So go out and have a great day, and thanks for watching.